Welcome to the endodontic revolution. Introducing the upgradable Root ZX2 chairside equipment related with endodontics with an upgradable low-speed handpiece. The Root ZX2 is an endodontic low-speed handpiece with root canal length measurement function. The Root ZX2 makes root canal measurement and root canal preparation available at the same time with great precision and delicacy. Here in this video, we are introducing the features and functions of the Root ZX2. The Root ZX2 consists of two modules. The Root ZX2 Canal Measurement Module can be used alone for measurement of root canals. The other module, called Root ZX2 Low-Speed Handpiece Module, is for the preparation of root canals using a newly designed, compact and lightweight low-speed handpiece. By combining these two modules, the dentist can prepare a root canal while measuring it at the same time. One of the main features of the Root ZX2 is an easy-to-use, newly designed, compact and lightweight handpiece. It weighs only 70 grams and it gives the clinician better handling by reducing hand fatigue. Its reduced weight is 45% of standard micromotor handpieces. The height of the contra head measures 12.5 millimeters, which is 2.5 millimeters shorter than standard contra heads. This greatly contributes to its handling. The large colored LCD display is 80 millimeters in width and 70 millimeters in height. This expanded LCD screen shows the movement of the file in real time. The multi-link auto control system is for safe and effective treatment. All automatic functions link together. The auto start and stop function allows the file to automatically start rotating when inserted into a root canal and stops when removed. This function helps clinicians change files smoothly. The auto-apical slowdown function slows down file speed as it approaches the apex. This function makes preparation of the region near the apical constriction safer. The auto-apical reverse stop function reverses or stops file rotation when the file tip reaches the preset apical line. This function can also be turned off. The length of time between the file stopping rotation and reversing can be set. The auto torque reverse function reverses file rotation when torque load reaches a specified preset value. The display shows the load being applied to the file in real time. Any of the 11 torque levels for auto torque reverse can be set depending on the file, clinical case, and treatment area. The Root ZX2 has 9 speed settings between 0 and 800 RPM. Select rotation speed and files according to the file manufacturer's recommendation, the clinical case, and also the treatment area. With the memory function, you can customize the Root ZX2 with 3 different sets of your preferences. The auto-off function automatically turns off the unit after 5 minutes of non-use. The foot switch allows manual file rotation. It plugs into the side of the low-speed handpiece module. When using the foot switch, the file rotates manually outside or inside the root canal. Here is how the Root ZX2 is assembled. Hold the cover of the Root ZX2 canal measurement module and slide the stopper on the bottom towards the liquid crystal display. Line up the tabs on the Root ZX2 low-speed handpiece module with the notches in the canal measurement module and put them together. Slide the low-speed handpiece module all the way down until it is securely attached. After installation, give the low-speed handpiece module a light tug to confirm it is securely attached. Plug in the handpiece cord to the jack of the Root ZX2 low-speed handpiece module. Attach the contra angle to the micromotor. Line up the triangle marks to connect the micromotor to the handpiece cord. Give the micromotor a light tug to confirm it is securely attached. Put a plastic sleeve over the micromotor portion. Gently pull back the file electrode, hold down the file release button on the contra head and insert the file. Turn the file until it lines up with the interior latch groove and slips into place. Release the button to lock the file into the contra head. Use only nickel titanium files. Never use stretched, deformed, or damaged files. Insert the contrary electrode into the connector of the handpiece cord. Always hold the connector to attach or detach the contrary electrode to avoid internal damage of the cord. The Root ZX2 works with a built-in battery. Recharge the battery as soon as the power indicator bar gets down to 2 lines. To charge the battery, turn off the unit and connect the AC adapter to the jack on the left side of the low-speed handpiece module. The amber charge LED on the back of the low-speed handpiece module starts flashing, and then, after a few seconds, it will stop flashing and stay on. It takes about 60 minutes to fully charge the battery. Never use the unit when the battery power display is flashing. The motor does not operate when the display is flashing. The unit does not operate when charging the battery with the AC adapter connected. Here are the items on the LCD display. The meter gauge and the canal length indicator bar are in the middle of the screen. You can see the speed indicator and the torque line on the left side of the screen. Then, on the upper right corner, you can see the selections of the auto apical reverse stop, slow down normal, auto start and stop manual. On the top, there are displays for the motor stopping time for apical reverse, alarm sound volume, and battery power indicator. At the bottom, you can see the memory numbers. In order to operate this unit correctly, it is essential to understand these features. There are 4 switches on the unit. From left to right, main power switch, mode switch for mode selection, Select switch for item selection, and Set switch for changing the setup.